Our neighbors' bees just came to form a beehive under our trampoline. Look at that. Look at that. Look how disgusting. So we've gone to call them. We're going to come and look for a way to move this rubbish out of here. Rejoice! Where are you running to? Are you scared? She ran away. Oh my God, look at that. I'll just hang on and wait for her to come and we'll see what we can do about it, because with this here, we can't move. The kids can't play on the trampoline. This is not acceptable at all. Look how massive. Look how massive. Oh my goodness. No, this is unacceptable. Just wait for her to come and move this thing now. Okay. Our neighbor is here to move the bees. Oh my God. He doesn't even have gloves on. Jesus. The bravery, Mom. Follow the process. Oh my God. Ooh, look at the way they're falling off. Jesus. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of bees. Ooh. Oh, they're flying around. Jesus. I still got lots of them in there. This man doesn't even have gloves on. Ugh. Sophie, come and look, come and look. Are you sure you can stay here? They're flying around there. That's too much. Look. They're all over him. Can you see them?
Yes. But they can't get him because he has a net.
Yeah, I know. He covered his head. Goodness me. It's starting to rain now. Okay, I think it's about to cover them. Look at that. Oh my word. Huh? Why did they decide to come to our back garden? Jesus. Oh, yeah. Thanks for showing me. Oh my God. That is a lot. Sophie, did you see that? Oh my word.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
It's flying everywhere.
What?
I see him.
Okay. I think they're all in now. I'm just trying to. Oh, Jesus. It's raining. Well done. Good job. They are all finally trapped. Bye, Bee. I don't want to see you soon.
You again under these circumstances.
No. Bye. Thank you.